Hi everyone, it's me again at TK. For today's video guys, medyo ko mag-deliver. So anyway, today is New Year's Eve. Kanya karon mo adto mi sa Best Western as invited by Sir Door. Ang kauban ako si Regine. And kita-kits later kaya akong ipakita sa inyo ang fireworks display. So guys, naabot namin diri sa Best Western and sila pa welcome drinks. Now kami dito sa ubos. Nakoy UUTD today guys. Thank you. Diba? Ay, so happy with my dress! Happy kayo ko sa akong dress guys. Thank you. So, Manila hang dining area, guys. Wow, they're really prepared here. We have steak. Wow. I know where it's here.
Check. Hey. Check.
Ipaduog yun sa stage. Mabuti. Mga laagan kayo guys. Dapat ngayon nasa balay. Kami kalaagan. Grabe lahang preparation yun guys. Oh, dahil lahang mga dessert here. Ice cream. Oh, you can choose how to make it.
There's a fruits for Panglao.
So today it's just buffet.
Yeah, just
And chocolate. Really good.
I thought it was yeah, it's in the package.
Yeah, fully now.
And then inside,
She likes cinnamon.
does it go?
Ah, cheese. Oh my god. Oh, pasta. Oh, I like this one. They will prepare a lot, guys. Kamusta tong diet there? I have to ask myself, how's my diet?
Pineapple.
It really looks like nuts.
So where is your son? I want to
There was
I'm asking myself, should I eat? I'm on diet, but I need to eat. It's still, we still have 5 hours, 12 minutes, and 22 seconds before midnight. It's nice.
It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try to find gravity. You won't bring me to now that's breathe out. That nobody in all of us.
I'm teaching my boyfriend how to drink this one. You have to lick this one first, the salt, and then drink this one, and then squeeze.
Kingdom of isolation, and looks like the queen.
Oh.
Wait a minute!
This world is warm inside. Couldn't keep leaving, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. The good girl you always had to be. You see, you won't be, don't let them go.
Let it go, let it go.
I'm holding back. Yay, accomplishment. Thank you so much. It's our first time playing that song, actually. Thank you so much.
It's fun here. I wanna do this next year again. And then their food, guys, is very nice. And their staff is always asking if we're okay. We are okay. We're eating and then we're drinking. It's very good. Time check. It's 9:12 p.m. Waiting for a countdown. Oh my god, I'm spoiling myself today. I get a lot of sweets. A lot. It's a lot. And then I even bring the ice cream. My god. Oh, ice cream, chocolate, and mango. And then I don't know the other's name. I didn't check. Here.
This one? Very easy to make names.
What's the name?
Finger food.
Finger. Yeah, kinda. Let me eat first. Let's test. Charot, test bitog yun.
So you will bring the
Unsa man?
marshmallow.
Actually, there's marshmallow there and then put that one.
5%.
Later na lang, maybe you will feel more hot later. I'm so happy. This one is
Pineapple.
melon.
I eat pineapple.
And then he don't like sour food and then he eat the pineapple. Wow, first time I taste it like this. With chocolate. Tastes so good. Where?
Maybe rocker. This is yours.
That's some. Let's explore the food.
Or Eminem.
Eminem.
Use it. You know Eminem? No? Very famous rapper, hip hop in US.
Oh, really? Maybe. I know the songs, but I don't know the song. I'm like that.
The
So,
song is that one.
oh, this is coffee.
What is this?
Coffee. This is bread.
I feel I'm now judge.
Eureka. But what's the title of that one now?
White and black.
Ah, just white and black. And the other one is not white and black, right? The title. I think it's Eureka something.
That's the Yurisa is white and black cook.
Ah. Hmm. You know, guys, I like the ice cream when it's melted. I don't like it like this. I want it
You
melt
try.
first. What? Experiment. Ah. He helped me with my experiment. Seriously, I hope tomorrow I will not have bad tummy.
Oh, 2 hours 20 minutes.
It's not good combination. I think chocolate is better because the pineapple with the ice cream, it tastes more sour than becoming sweet. Time check. It's 29 minutes before countdown for New Year. It's funny. I never played this one even before.
watching.